everyone. Today our topic for discussion is Narmada Bachao Andholan. So my dear students, as we know that the Narmada Bachao Andholan is an Indian social movement led by native tribes, farmers, environmentalists and human rights activists against the construction of large dams under Narmada Dam project across Narmada river. And we see that this movement it was started in the year in 1985. Narmada Bacha Andolan was started in 1985. So we see that the leaders of the movement Narmada Bacha Andolan was the leaders of the movement were Mehta Patkar. The main leaders of the movement were Mehta Patkar and Baba Amte. The movement first started as a protest for not providing proper rehabilitation and resettlement for the people who have been displaced by the Sardar Sarovar Dam. As we know that Sardar Sarovar Dam project. We see that the foundation stone of the project, the foundation stone of the project was laid by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Prime Minister of India laid the foundation stone of the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the year 1961. And we see that the Sardar Sarovar Dam, it was a main focal point. One of the first focal point of the Narmada Bachao Andholan. And we see that the activists, they also demanded the height of the dam to be reduced to. Height of the Sardar Sarovar Dam to be reduced to 88 meter. From the proposed height of 130. Meters. And we see that this Sardar Sarovar Dam, it was financed by World Bank. At that time, the name of the World Bank was IBRD, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development. Finally, we see that when movement was started in India, World Bank withdrew from the project. In 1994. And finally, we see that the activists, they demanded, they were against the construction of the large dams across Narmada River. And we see that the main dams, Sardar Sarovar Dam was the main focal point. And we see that another dam, Indra Sagar Dam, clear? So activists, they were against the construction of Indra Sagar Dam and Sardar Sarovar Dam, clear? And finally, we see that the Sardar Sarovar Dam in 1987, the construction of the dam was started. And in 1996, the activists, they obtained a stay order for the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam. As we know that the Sardar Sarovar Dam is situated as Kavadia, Navagaon, Narmada district of Gujarat. कहाँ पे है? नर्मदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात में है सरदार सरोवर डैम. And we see that across Narmada river. And we see that in 1987 the construction of the dam was started. So finally in 1996 we see that the activists, they obtained a city order from the court. And finally in 1999 the construction was started and the Sardar Sarovar Dam was finally completed in 2017. It was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and he declared that the Sardar Sarovar Dam is the lifeline of Gujarat. This project was constructed for the purpose to provide water for irrigation, electricity, and for drinking to the four states of India: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. And we see that this project, Sardar Sarovar Dam and Narmada Sagar Dam, they were to displace more than 250,000 people. 250,000 people were displaced due to the project, due to Sardar Sarovar Dam and Indra Sagar Dam. Clear? And in 1990, we see that in 1990, 6,000 men and women, they started Narmada Jan Vikas Sangharsh Yatra, marching over 100 kilometer. And we see that in 1991, Baba Amte and 7-member team, they began an indefinite strike for 22 days. For 22 days. For 22 days. And we see that the mode of campaign under Narmada Bachao Andolan, it includes court actions, hunger strikes, rallies, and gatherings. And we see that this movement, it received support from the notable film and art personalities of India. And Sardar Sarovar Dam, it was a concrete gravity dam. As we know that this Narmada River is the largest west flowing river of peninsular region. It's peninsular region flowing through Rift Valley between Vindhya range on the north and Satpura range on the south. As we know that it's Narmada River, it's flowing through Rift Valley. It's the largest west flowing river of India. It rises from Amarkantak Plateau, and the total length of the river is 1312 kilometers. And we see that this river, it flows through Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. And we see that this Narmada Bachao Andolan, it was a movement, it was a social movement led by native tribes, means the Adivasis, farmers, environmentalists and the human rights activists against the construction of large dams under Narmada Dam project across Narmada River. And it was started in the year 1985. So dear students, this was all about Narmada Bachao Andolan, save the Narmada, save the Narmada. So dear students, वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.